Prime rib is the motherlode of all meats, so you can't afford to mess this up. Alright, so what we have here is a 6-pound prime rib. Now, if you want to know how to trim and tie this, click this video right here, or you can be a lazy like me and just have the butcher do it. Now, this is the triple threat. The 2021 triple threat. Cow cover, dirty bird, and garlic jalapeno. And I promise you right now, if you ever wanted to silence a crowd, this is gonna be it. So let's get to rubbing. I'm gonna go in there with some cow cover first. Make sure get all them sides good. Get the ends. Good thing I got man-size hands. Now, dirty bird. Don't be scared. It's a big cut of meat. Now, the garlic jalapeno, this is where it's at. Don't be scared. This is gonna be fantastical. Woo, man, this smells amazing already. Hold on. And get the ends. That's it, just like that. She's ready to go on the smoker. That perfect prime rib needs to be cooked at the absolute right temperature. So for today, we're running the Traeger at 275 and shooting for a final temp of 127 degrees. Now after it hits 127 degrees, we're gonna wrap it in foil, or you can put it in a pan with a lid on it. Just make sure to let it rest. So give it about 30 or 45 minutes, and after that, you're gonna have the perfect prime rib. All right, so we got this pulled off. We pulled it at 127. Now, it's just time to jump on into it. But remember, you gotta remove the strings first. Don't be that guy. And now we slice. Oh, straight butter. As you can see, this looks freaking amazing. Now, my boy Rick was gracious enough to make us a dipping sauce. Don't worry, the recipe is down in the description. You can make it too. But this is a perfect medium rare. I'm gonna tell you right now, that is freaking fantastic. If you want to impress your guest, use this recipe, thank me later. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing, because we're back. Here, get a video of this, Rick. You see that? Some bitch.